become the container, and then we put the essay inside kan. Jadi kita test juga, we get the results, but then we also can throw it away after that. So that's the idea lah behind it. So they say the ideal container is one container. But I guess in your case you can't throw away your your time or whatever it is. So maybe there's other ways lah. Yeah?
Cukup lagi.
Kita tadi dua kan, functional analysis with process. Okay, now another one. This is also at the define stage where you want to define so that you can write your contribution statement better. Okay? The whole idea is the how to come to this contribution statement. Okay? So this one is also not in your notes. Recently we found out that this is one of the new tools that actually didn't come out of Schiller. Schiller I think never heard of this. This one came out from dia punya student dia lah. Now one of the master called Jaromir. It's called perception mapping. Okay, it's kind of like a relational diagram lah. What happens is that if you have too many things macam relation ni kita nak dua kan, either to improve or to if you want to improve this what's stopping you. But let's say in normal situation we have so many issues. So let's say if you have so many issues, you are trying to find just the contribution statement, what to do. But you feel that those issues are also important, so you cannot like pre-select, okay, I want this issue, that issue, or this and this. Tak boleh kan? Sometimes you feel that nanti you lose out in the what you call that validity of the problem. So this perception mapping says, okay, never mind, these are the issues. And to make it more what you call that what you call this to come to the right answer, at least to be 10 or more lah. Kalau you ada less than 10, mungkin not good lah. We have 10 several issues, list them down, and then each issue ni you have to decide where is it connected to any one of those issues. So contohnya, okay, I use example from paper. We did this paper recently. They have a problem at the plant in Kedah. They were having a lot of productivity issues. Yeah? So they have volume not optimized, they have machine breakdown, they have high manpower turnover, they're using LPG, cost is high, they are reworking this. Yang plant tu dia buat linen washing, so they after washing they rewash again, something like reworking lah. Machines are old, so banyak sometimes these are things like you seen this thing before. So let's say you want to pick any two, but you want to list everything down. So because you want to see where the problem is actually. So you use these two, list down the problems, and then you start to say where does problem one lead to. Okay? For instance, linen washing volume not optimized, it will lead to 4. For instance, LPG cost is high. Okay? So when the cost is high, you must make sure that the volume is optimized. If not, you lose out. Okay? So machine breakdown, what is it? Okay, due to because of the linen washing volume is not high. So this one is decided by you or by the team that is working on this problem. You decide. The system doesn't decide for you. So once you decide, you may also want to take note what things are conflicting. In this case, we found that 5 and 12 are conflicting. So we just put a mark there, conflicting. Okay, so once you do this, then you think, okay, conflicting is something like okay, in this case, the rewashing is high. Tapi they say here heavy soil linen requires actually rewashing. That means to say rewashing kena ada, tapi dia kata kenapa see here it means every heavy soil linen requires rewashing, but here they say they don't want to rewash, they want to wash just once. So it's conflicting lah statement here. So we just take note of that saja lah. So actually there is a right now in your notes ni manual way lah. Sebenarnya ada all these tools they came out with some software punya version. This this case this is a software version of it. So what we did was we just press a button, it came out this. So they will start to point to a certain problem. Usually they color in red. So that is something that you want to look at. And then maybe the rest is something that is is still as important but not as important as the one important. So the one that you should want to look at is if you look back at this thing, something like this. So you want to look at where there are loops. That means there's something to do there. That one also something to do back again. So there's a loop. The other one is a collector points. That means a lot of things pointing towards that. Or a chain, what they call conflict chain. Tadi yang conflict chain tadi yang ada dua 5 and 12 tu kan. Okay, so you want to look at that. So this one, so this is a collector point lah. A lot of points pointing towards that. So it becomes very important thing that you want to look at. And then this is the loop. So we're talking about the average cost, right? Right? Then the chain tak ada sangat lah. Right?
Does the colour indicate anything?
Yeah, the severe lah. So the red is supposed to be severe. And then green, lesser, red and yellow. Alright, so in this case, if you have so much of things to look at and you want to write your contradiction statement, very difficult lah. Jadi with this tool actually it just points you to the one that you should be working on lah. So at least in this case, if they say the living washing volume not optimized, this would become something that you want to work on. So you want to make this your feature to improve. How to improve your optimization of the living washing and what's stopping you. And could be this one. So this one could be your parameter now. 39 parameter, check this one out and then you come up with your message. So the third one is your perception map. So this one also can help you. Okay? So again, I repeat. So doesn't mean that you have to go this before you can go and no one. You can go straight from here to there, or here to there, or here to there. Right? But if you want,
ideality tadi? The ideality.
oh sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
And then put it on one. And then your perception right? So again, still not exhaustive lah. There are many other tools. Tapi this one we find yang mana currently quite interesting for us to work on. So sometimes you feel that can I go step by step? Can lah if you have the time. Because sekarang ni dah ada reference lah. You can always refer. It's not something out of the air. You have your notes there. Or you feel that maybe this one is the fastest way. You can go for it. Go for the fastest. The good thing is that you can already do this even on your own. Contohnya macam you know that you have a project team and you're working in it. Tapi maybe you have time, you sit down with it, nak find out lah betul ke. So you can already experiment on your own as well. And then when you share your findings, maybe you find that it's quite similar to what some of your team members are thinking about. So at the end of it, it's just define and solve. Dia tak banyak issues lah. So you have your define tool, set of your define tool, you have a set of your solve tool. So far your solve tools only touch on configuration matrix lah. But dia ada banyak lagi But this one akan datang lah Kalau tidak nanti dia macam Kung Fu Master juga lah, tak boleh bagi semua Anyway, we are also not experts. So at the moment we know how to use the configuration matrix. Itu pun if we manage to get the right kind of statement at the end of it.
So right now sekarang you all dah define what is important, right?